Hello students, so in this video session we are mainly talking about isotopes and isotones and isobars. Okay, so let us first talk about isotopes. Mind is P here. P mainly stands for your convenience only I am telling this. P stands for protons here. So I am just telling you this for the sake of remembering this only. It does not have to mean something like that. So don't get confused in this matter. And iso means equal. Okay. So if you have got two or more than two such atoms which have got equal number of protons, then they are called isotopes. Okay, so let us have a look at some examples. Say we are talking about 1H1 and 1H2 and 1H3. By now all of you have learned that these three are nothing but the different types of atoms of hydrogen. They are called isotopes of hydrogen. Okay, this one is called protium, this is called deuterium, this is called tritium. For these three you can see that although these are different atoms but they have got same number of protons, so therefore they are called isotopes of hydrogen. Similarly, if you talk about say sodium 11Na23 and 11Na24, again for them the number of protons are same, so therefore they are again the isotopes of sodium, right? So that's it, that's all for isotopes. So if the question is like define isotope, you have to say that if two or more than two atoms are there such that they have got equal number of protons, so then they are called isotopes, and then you have to give at least two examples for it. Now we are talking about isobars. Isobars, these bars stand for number, that is mass number. Okay, so you can see that if there are two or more than two such atoms, those have got same mass number, then they are called isobars. Example, suppose you are talking about 11Na24 and 12 magnesium 24. You can see that for both these atoms, they are different atoms, they are different elements. Hello students, sorry for the interruption. So you can see that as we are discussing that there are two atoms of sodium and magnesium. So for this one you can see that the mass number is 24. For magnesium also the mass number is 24. So they are isobars of each other. Okay, so if there are two or more than two atoms such that they have got the mass number same, they are called isobars. Okay, so let us talk about isotones. So here you have got the letter N, right? N stands for neutron. So if there are two or more than two such atoms, those have got the same number of neutrons, they are called isotones of each other. Okay, for an example, if I talk about 11Na23, the number of neutrons will be 12 here, right? Another atom, say 12 magnesium 24. For this one also the number of neutron will be 12. So therefore they are called isotones of each other. That's all for this video. Thank you.